What's up guys, welcome to Super Wow Style. This is Prachi and let me start today's video by telling you all. So I'm wearing some tinted lip balm, but on my skin there is no foundation or concealer. See this guys, my skin has transformed and this transformation has been so real. Like I was traveling a while ago and my skin was completely damaged. Dark spots, pigmentation and dullness. My skin was so very dull. And in just a few weeks my skin has become so much better. So I've always said this, right? The right moisturizer can make or break your skincare routine because it can actually help heal your skin beautifully if you're using the right moisturizer. But here's the tricky part. A lot of you will be able to relate with me on this. So any effective cream is sticky and anything which is non-sticky is ineffective. But for your skincare, you want the best of both worlds, right? You don't want to compromise. And I recently came across Garnier Skin Naturals Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum Gel, which has been such a game changer in my skincare routine. Guys, let me show you the consistency first. It has a light water-based gel-like consistency. It is so lightweight and it is effective. I'll tell you why. Because it contains vitamin C. Okay, so it's actually designed to brighten, hydrate and moisturize your skin, and vitamin C especially. If you have heard me talk about this before, it's one of my all-time favorite skincare ingredients because it's such an all-rounder. Vitamin C is rich in antioxidants, so it helps to bring out that glow in your skin while dealing with dark spots, uneven skin tone, pigmentation, and it just makes your skin so even toned, so beautiful, and most importantly it makes your skin so bright. So it contains vitamin C in a light gel-like texture which is hydrating, and it's also very moisturizing without that sticky greasy feel. So if you see, the skin absorbs it all very quickly. There is like no white cast. It's paraben free, alcohol free. Yes guys, paraben free, alcohol free formula. And because it does not leave any sticky greasy feel behind, any white cast behind, it's also the perfect thing to use before your makeup. So when you're doing your makeup, you don't want an added layer, right? You want as few layers as possible so your makeup can sit properly. So what this moisturizer does is that your skin absorbs it like this very quickly when you're using it, and it just sits pretty, keeping your skin balanced, keeping your skin moisturized and hydrated. It actually gives you 12-hour oil control, guys. Yes, now let me first show you how I've actually been using this moisturizer before proceeding ahead. The procedure is very simple. Just wash your face, for which I've currently been using Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Gel Face Wash. It contains vitamin C and lemon. It's a paraben and silicone free formula, suitable even for sensitive skin. So actually I picked up this face wash because it's from the same range, and when you use products from the same range, it gives you better, more amplified results, right? So I've actually been using this face wash and it gives you nice squeaky clean skin, so why not? And then follow this up with the moisturizer. So I'll just take a little bit and apply this on my skin. As you can see, the skin takes it all in very quickly. It hardly takes like even a minute. And here's a quick test. I'll just use a tissue paper to show you. Do you see there is no patchiness, there's no blotting, the skin does not feel sticky or greasy at all. The skin has taken it all so beautifully, guys, and that's it. So in the morning I actually follow this up with a sunscreen, and in the evening I just use the face wash and the moisturizer, and that's it. It's a very simple skincare routine, very simple. It doesn't get easier than this, guys, and obviously my skin is here to show you the results. So let me show you a quick before after so you can actually see the comparison and what I'm talking about. This moisturizer has literally been a game changer for me, and the fact that it's so easy to work with and sits so easy on the skin, what else could you ask for, right? Like I said, you want the best of both worlds, you get the best of both worlds with it. I feel like this is the first moisturizer I'm seeing in the market which is so lightweight, almost water-like consistency, which is also so effective. And in case you're wondering about the prices, a 23-gram jar retails for rupees 105 and a 45-gram jar like this one retails for rupees 189. So guys, here's what I'll do. I will put the link for these products in the description box below because I definitely want you guys to try it out, and let me know in the comment section below if you have already tried out this range, if you have tried out this moisturizer especially. I would love to hear your feedback. I would love to know how it has been going for you. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, guys, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Wow Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.